night. C is for coyote, howling at the moon. D is for deer, tiptoeing under stars so soon. E is for elephant, true, tiny and quick. F is for firefly, glowing like a magic trick. G is for great horned owl, watching from the tree. H is for hedgehog, rolling quietly with glee. I is for indigo snake, slithering low. J is for jackal, moving where shadows go. K is for kangaroo rat, hopping all around. L is for leopard, prowling without a sound. Dancing near the light. N is for nightjar, blending out of sight. O is for possum, hanging by its tail. P is for panther, strong and sleek on a trail. Q is for quokka, smiling in the dark. R is for raccoon, leaving clever marks. S is for skunk, strolling with a sway. T is for tiger, stalking silent prey. U is for uakari, leaping tree to tree. V is for vampire bat, sipping secretly. W is for wolf, calling to its pack. X is for Xanthus's hummingbird, on a midnight snack. Y is for